How does one stand out as, say, the master of Scrum Masters? How does one actually stand out from the rest? What does that entail? What does that look like?
Okay, so if you want to come up with your own term as a master of Scrum Masters, then I would have to say that a master of Scrum Masters is a Scrum Master who can take a brand new team who does not have any experience with the framework and take that team from being brand new to a mature team. Now that's how you stand out as a scrum master. And what that means is that you teach that team not only the framework and the principles, but you cultivate an environment and foster an environment where that team runs harmoniously with or without you. Meaning that if you attend the stand up, great. If you don't attend the stand up, guess what? The impediments are being resolved. The team is moving the work through. And you, as a scrum master, are just sitting back and just monitoring and making sure that that team is effective. Now, that is the elite type of scrum master that when you have a mature team and you get your team to a mature state, it just makes your job so much easier.
Okay.
Now, I
So
know your next question
what's that?
is how do you get a team to be mature?
Well, that's a good question. That's a good question. It wasn't my next question, but by
Okay.
all means, go ahead and answer that for us, please.
To get a team, how I got teams to be mature is that I sat with each person over the course of a sprint, probably 15 minutes. I didn't want to take more than that because I needed my developer to be able to have time to code and I needed my tester to have time to test. But I would take and carve out 15 minutes to see what that person needed as it relates to the framework to continue to grow. Another thing that I would do would be to allow each person to rotate at times as far as facilitating any of the ceremonies, especially the daily stand up. And then that way, what that would do is give that team the comfort of being able to facilitate a ceremony in my absence. So if I'm on vacation or if I'm out of office for whatever reason, now I have someone on the team or a choice of people on the team that I could go to be able to facilitate a meeting whether I'm there or not.